Riu Nyox Wakata niarikite gutiga mafans na mashabiki ake maihwirwo ni ciuria na mag-speculate what could be going on with Nyox. Now this came after muthuri wake Kata gukorwo akiingira nenda-ini yake and shared a very heavy and heartwarming congratulatory message to Nyox ira ironania ati Nyox niarikite kwigwatira uhotani munene muno na magicokeria Ngai ngatho ni uhotani uyu na akionania ma how proud he is of her. Ino ari ndumiriri Kata arakorirwo akirekereria akiuga Nyox Wakata Ngai ti mundu wa thi na ndehingicaga atugukurathima gutiri undu mundu kana kindu kingigiririria. Congratulations are in order. Na thutha ucio mafans magikiuga tondu Kata ndanakorwo akimaumbũrĩra why he is congratulating Nyox, marakorwo makiihuriria ati Nyox hihi ni kurathimwo arathimitwo na kana kange, and they took to her comment section na kwanja kumcongratulate ati on the new baby, magikiuga ati konge na makai meri. No Nyox Wakata ni acoketie na kwira mafans ake ati onio meihuriria ati uguo niguo kuri, no oho kuri ona angi marakorirwo magikiuga na kumbura ndeto ciatiga aingi na kimako na makiyumiria na njira nene muno congratulating Nyox agikorwo niguo kuri, then they are so happy for her na makinyitanira na Kata gu congratulate Nyox. Some of the fans have hinted and revealed that ati Nyox niarikitie kupromoto na njira ya ukorwo riu she'll no longer be on radio, she'll no longer be just a radio presenter, ati niarikitie kuingira mwena wa TV, she will now be a TV presenter, na makiuga ati nikio Kata arakorirwo akimucongratulate na njira ya mwanya uguo. Ici ari imwe cia comments ma fans amwe marikitie gutiga Toya akiuga she's promoted from radio presenter to TV presenter, kimbieni kwa TikTok ya Nyox mpate uhondo huko, msiulize tena. Congratulations Nyox Wakata. Nake Patrick Shagi akauga I know it's all about TV, from one glory to another. Tata Wanjugu soon tutakuwa tunamuona live from Kameme TV. Aligo mafans amwe matigitwo makiuga ati Nyox niarikitie kuingira gikiro kia TV presenter riu na gutiga a Kenya na mashabiki na gikeno kinene muno, ona makinyitanira na Kata gu congratulate Nyox na magikiuga ma angikorwo niguo kuri, they are so happy and proud for her indeed, tondu ona Nyox niarakoretwo aingira nenda-ini ciake na gukorwo akionania nitarakungwira undu wa mwanya muno urikitie kumuhanikira. Clearly she too is celebrating something big that has happened to her, na agikorwo ni she has been promoted to TV, well, a big congratulations kuri Nyox Wakata. Kanona agikorwo ni she is expecting another baby, well, still a big congratulations to her. No mafans magikena muno kumenya ati Nyox autagukorwo ni nyingirite mwena wa TV, a big congratulations to her nonetheless. Na ndugakiriganirwo go subscribe for the latest and trending Kikuyu celebrity news. Never miss an update. Subscribe now.